I tour around the country performing my levitation magic show all over the place, so I end up staying in a lot of Airbnbs. So I cannot believe how nasty, dirty, disgusting this Airbnb is. Come and look. So this is the house that I first went to because this is where it says the address of the Airbnb is, and I feel really bad for these people because look at the sign they have to have on their door. So I had to message the guy, show him the sign, and he sends me the right address. So as you can see, there's just clothing and things strewn about the ground. Ads and newspapers. Look, it really needs a deep clean on the carpet. Just like plastic bags. All this garbage on the tables. You know, if this guy could have been nice and polite, it would have kind of been a redeeming factor, but he was kind of a dick in talking to him. But here, it gets disgusting. Oh my god. Towel on the floor. Overflowing trash. And then just mystery liquids in cups. Just from the smell, you feel like this is not a sanitary place. Just gross. But, I mean, more mystery liquids. What's in that cup? And then an overflowing sewage in the sink. It kept getting worse. It smelled. You can't smell it from the video. And just more garbage. And look, just like pots with food still stuck on them. And even going up the stairs, there's just random crap. Now you can see the line on the stairs. This carpet has never been cleaned before. Just more crap in the hallways. This guy runs some kind of business out of here. Couldn't figure out what it was though. Now, here's my room, and it actually wasn't that bad, but there were stains on the sheets and on the floor. The bathroom tub is pretty grody. It needs to be refinished. Now the crazy thing is with all this just mess and dirtiness, this guy actually had the nerve to ask me to do my dishes. If there's a principle of walking into a messy space, people will generally be more messy if they walk into a messy space. So this is Ama, and I actually met him at the Airbnb, and you said that this was your first time doing Airbnb. This is your first experience.
Yes, it's my first experience doing the Airbnb in Las Vegas. Right, it's really disgusting. Toilet is disgusting. The kitchen was disgusting. It was not really welcoming. Even the host there was not welcoming us properly. So it was a turn off for me. It was really appalling, and it's a thumbs down. So